Now, I am going to be examining the benefits of well-equipped learning centers and safety and storage. Now, benefits of well-equipped learning centers are very wide. Creating and developing a learning center for children requires critical and creative thinking. The learning center or the learning environment should be so developed that it caters for the learning needs of the student. Hence, it is paramount then that the setting is diverse and caters to the level of diversity that children exhibit. When planning and developing a learning center, you have to be creative, you have to be open-minded, and you also have to think about children's level of curiosity, because at that stage of their development, they are extremely curious. They want to explore things, they want to move about, they just don't want to be restricted. However, as the supervisor, you want to ensure that the working center is well equipped, properly manned, and is very safe. And in the development of these learning centers, we want to ensure that it caters for the learning needs of students. They are given opportunity to develop their social skills, their manipulative and intellectual skills, and as such as the ECCE teacher, you have to ensure that you provide students with the best learning opportunities. Now, there are specific benefits that can be derived from a well-equipped learning center based on our Unit 4 note. And these include level of independence, development of communication skills, the ability to choose, cooperation and collaboration, self-help, include being responsible and accountable, use of time, conflict resolution, where as a result of coming in contact with other students, conflict could develop, hence the ability to solve conflict is also strengthened. The problem solving skills within the play area and equipped learning center, coordination and confidence. So those are some of the benefits of a well-equipped learning center. Therefore, as it relates to the creation of a learning center, for instance, the free play area with different sections, you as the tutor or the facilitator have to be innovative and put material there that will actually arouse students' curiosity, because once you can build on the level of curiosity, then you realize that they want to learn, they are eager to learn. Therefore, as the facilitator, you have to use your creativity in going about developing the learning center for the student. The next area that I want to look at is storage and safety in learning centers, and this information found in Unit 4, Section 4.3. And when developing a learning center. Safety is paramount. Therefore, you should not include material or equipment that will pose a threat to the student. If they are too small, try not to include them because they might swallow them. Electrical appliances, if you have to use them, try and keep them and put them out of the reach of children. Hazardous materials, chemicals and substances should not be in the learning area. Other things that you might want to look at has to do with knife, scissors. If you are going to be using scissors, ensure that it meets the required safety standards. Also, magnets. If you are going to be using magnets, they should not be too small because some children are very curious and hence they might want to put it in their mouth and this could be detrimental. So you have to be careful when putting material in the play area or the learning center as well. So in going about developing and setting up your learning center, you want to ensure that you put into consideration the developmental needs of the student, the learning needs of the student, the developmental stages of the student, and you also want to think about safety because you can supervise them, but it will make it more difficult if dangerous materials are in the learning center. One approach that we could actually use is to actually point out, as mentioned in the reading from Unit 4, Section 4.3, point out the danger zone or the danger spot. Right? You can also label them and allow students to learn the label. Even before you start regular teaching in the morning, you could actually point out to students and let them know that these are areas that they should not go. So you have to let them be responsible and you also have to let them be aware that they must be careful. Even though it's a learning center, the children must be careful. But as a facilitator and the supervisor, you cannot rely on student judgment. You have to use your judgment and ensure that the environment and learning centers are safe. Thank you.